Hello, in this tutorial I'll show you how to quote on Reddit. Quoting text on Reddit is a great way to reference previous comments or posts, making your responses clearer and more contextual. So here is how you can do that. First, you need to navigate to the comment or post. This is the first method using the quote block feature. So find the comment or post that you wish to quote. So let's say I want to quote this. I do this to my husband all the time. All right, so click and drag your cursor over the text that you want to quote. This is it. And copy it. Now, once you copy it, after highlighting it, go ahead and click on the reply button beneath the comment or the post. In the reply text box, go ahead and paste it. And once you paste what you have copied, click here, the show formatting options, and it displays the formatting option. Now click on the quote block icon. It resembles a quotation mark or like 99 this. So once you do that, that's it. You've pasted the highlighted text and now this has been quoted. Now press enter twice to exit the quote block. Now type your response below the quoted text. You could say me too. And that's how it works. So now once you're satisfied, go ahead and click on the comment button to post your comment. So let's say that's work. So that's how it works. So if the quote block icon isn't visible, ensure you're using the fancy pants editor. You can toggle this by clicking the T icon at the bottom of the text box, or the A icon rather. A icon, not T, at the bottom of the text box, switch with it. Also, you can use markdown syntax. So click on the reply button. Let's say I want to do that again. And in the text box type, just go ahead and click on this the markdown symbol, which is represented by a greater than sign followed by a space, then the text that you wish to quote. Okay, I do this to my husband. See how that works? Then press enter twice to separate the quotes from your response, and type a reply below the quoted text. Then hit on the comment button. Then this should really work for you. So those are the steps that you can take. I'm going to click on cancel to discard that. So this method is especially useful if you're comfortable with markdown formatting or if the quote block feature isn't available. So go over the tutorial from the top to the bottom to get acquainted with the steps, and once you're done, you'll be good to go. I hope this tutorial marvelously helped you search.